Hi, I'm Nick from Dorman Proving Grounds Garage. Today we're going to talk about some OE fixed parts we are working on. We as technicians see it all the time, heater hose assemblies that become brittle and crack. This results in coolant loss, which will cause the vehicle to overheat. To help prevent common failures and coolant leaks from happening, we re-engineered application-specific Y&T connectors from plastic to metal to improve service life. Another OE fixed design improvement is around our heater hose and water outlet for the 2011 to 2016 Chevy Cruze. The OE part is prone to breakage due to continued exposure to engine heat and coolant, as well as when the vehicle is being serviced. For this heater hose, we've redesigned the mating connector. This unique connection helps secure the hose connection into the water outlet. Be sure though when swapping you remove the original O-ring, as these come with new O-rings for an easier cost-saving alternative to replacing the entire assembly.